In a humane and employee-friendly move, Karnataka Director General and Inspector General of Police Dr. Saleem has issued a directive instructing all unit officers to approve leave requests from police personnel on their birthdays and wedding anniversaries without rejection. In the official circular, the DGP emphasized that police personnel work tirelessly in challenging conditions to maintain public safety and law and order. Celebrating personal milestones like birthdays and wedding anniversaries is crucial for emotional refreshment, quality family time, and achieving a healthy work-life balance. Granting leave on these days boosts morale, reduces stress, enhances job satisfaction, and improves overall productivity and performance. The order directs all supervisory officers to mandatorily grant such leave when requested, recognizing the sacrifices of the force and fostering greater loyalty and discipline within the Karnataka Police. This initiative is seen as a step toward better welfare and motivation for the state's police personnel following similar precedents in other forces.